The rainstorm. Oh. 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 When's it gonna rain? When's it gonna rain? I don't get it. I don't get it.
It doesn't start raining until like everyone knows. Oh, it's a thunderstorm.
Oh, okay. I guess that makes sense. Like it would start off like right away. Let me know when it's gonna rain because I don't want to get wet. What? What's so funny? I don't get it. What? What are you whispering about?
It's gonna rain in a second.
Oh my god, I don't want to get wet. Okay. Where's my... Ah! Wait. Wait.
It's raining. Oh my god, you're so gross.
Oh my god. You lied to me.
You believed it. Time about the rain.
Oh my god. No.
I was hoping you'd turn around and then I split them on you.
I seriously thought it started raining when you squirted me with water.
That was the idea.
Oh my god. I was about to say, I thought you said it didn't get on people if they're sitting down.
I can't believe you believed it.
I'm never gonna trust you guys ever again. Wow, that was so exciting.
Okay, now it's time to go, guys.
Okay.
Oh my god, I literally just died.
Best experience ever.